rotating round into an upright position. That ring, clock hands on a watch. Big Norman formed the team in 1984, and they were famous for a whole series of sponsors. Synchronized stop, put your hands together, what a team! On these big, beefy biplanes. On goes the smoke. Down goes the nose, up goes the energy. 150 mile an hour gale blowing against the girl. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you might have noticed Kirsten, Emma have tight-fitting flight clothing on. Now, some of you are going to get the wrong impression as to why it's tight-fitting. If they were to go up in anything that was loose-fitting, in that 150 mile an hour gale, any flapping garment would bruise them, and I mean bruise them. Now I know this because my lovely wife used to wing walk, and she attests to the fact that if you've got loose garments you get bruised. She wants also to say that it was tiger moths. Over 1,300 displays with the team, got his private pilot's license in 1995, a lot of time on parachute aeroplanes, joined the team in 2006. Brian Corns has about the same number of flying hours. He's been gliding since he was 14. On goes the smoke, they're coming right at you. Back on the stick, pull, 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 brake. Brian soloed at 16, 23 years with the Royal Air Force, and he says he's So we come round, Kirsten and Emma, eyeball to eyeball. On goes the smoke. Kirsten is the lead wing walker. She's been professional since 2018. You heard her this morning, she did circus work, trapeze and aerial arts before she joined the team. She's a self-described adrenaline junkie. I can believe that. Sunset. Girls now lying down on the job. Emma has been with the team since 2021. She's a marathon runner, of course she is. She's a shark cage swimmer, and she loves parachuting. She's thrilled to be part of the team with her best friend, Kirsten. says she's been dancing since 3. Sure, you can get pills for that. When she's not doing this, she tutors in English, and she loves watching movies. Great looking swiveling around. By pumping biodegradable oil into the engine exhaust, like that. Up goes the energy and up goes that gale. Lovely barrel roll. Eat your heart out, Tom Cruise. And they're waving, please wave back. fading away. Down off that rig, down off the leading edge, now standing over the forward cockpit. Ladies and gentlemen, Aerosuperbatics Wingwalking team. They can see you. Arm waving. Are you using the cross runway? Explaining earlier about the crosswind. Delight. Pacemaker. And the Wingwalkers coming through.